bad. Camera staying as well. Thanks, we're going to do it. Probably be fucking rich.
Fuck, he's just walking off like. Fuck, take off.
Fucking good
So, what are your accomplishments trying to make this film?
I don't know, man. Like, just fucking. Well, fuck you, Bear Grylls, like. You know what I mean? Doing fucking 6 years in the army just to fucking climb some fucking trees, like. And buy my camo and go fucking climb, man.
What about people like Les Strout?
Oh, fuck that guy, man. He can't even pay a camera crew to fucking, you know what I mean? He's fucking handy cams. Fuck that guy, like. He's fucking, this is it, man. This is what we need, like.
What do you think set you apart from those people?
I'm a badass.
What would you say the most important things are to survive in the wilderness?
Well, you gotta take what you find, like, you know, anything you come across, you gotta take that, turn it into survival tools, and the tools you already got. You need to know how to use them, be accurate with them, you know, get right first time, every time. It's all about perfection, man, if you want to survive. Can you just cut that in? Just put it in there.
Yeah. So what exactly are you going to show us during this film?
I'm going to show how to survive, man. I'm going to show you that you can't love Mother Nature. You can't get in an equilibrium with Mother Nature. You just gotta grab it by the fucking balls and fucking drag it with you. Like, that's how you're gonna survive.
Where the fuck are we going?
Yo, where are we going?
That's a fucking question, round your kid.
Come on, yeah. Fucking.
Follow them. What are you doing?
Survive it, man. This is it, man. Survival, like. Come on, we're drinking all of it. Right there, bud. Fucking last one survival, like. Fucking we need water. That's life for a couple of days, man, if you can find something like that. You just fucking put it in there like that.
What are you doing?
Making a cup, man. So you just keep fucking folding it like that, man. Look at that. Ah, that's a fucking cup. Like you could live with that for weeks. It's never gonna rust. It's fucking, that's it, man. That's survival. Like, that's what we're doing. Let's fucking come on. Let's go. So, you know, this is what I mean. These situations, you know, high ground. Always take the high ground. You see where you're going. Fucking survive, like.
survival, take the low ground, to go to low ground.